Welcome to the Bank Keys Tutorials Hub page. Feel free to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments section. In this video, we will guide you through the process of sight reading the staff. However, before we get into that, we'll take a moment to go over the key things you should look for and consider before you begin sight reading any sheet music. This will help you approach the music with a better understanding and make the process smoother. The piece we'll be working on is Ode to Joy by Ludwig van Beethoven. Before you start sight reading, it's important to first focus on the key signature. Make sure to identify it, as it will give you important information about the notes and accidentals you'll encounter throughout the piece. What key are we in? C major, right? That's correct. Now, how do we find key C on the piano? Before we do that, let's remember that the third space on the staff represents key C. Got it? Great. Now, let's look at our first note. What note is that? To find it, let's start with the first space on the staff, which is F. Moving down, the next line gives us our first note, which is E. Now that we know our first note is E, let's locate E on the piano. Well done. Keep in mind that the sheet music contains crotchets, each of which gets 1 count, and the last note in the fourth bar is a minim, which gets 2 counts. For a clearer understanding of the counts, refer to the video on semibreves, minims, and crotchets. The bars on the staff are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In total, there will be 16 bars. Now, let's sight read and play the score. We're starting with the first 4 bars, which go E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, E, D, D. This is how it will sound when you play it on the piano. Great job. Now, take a look at the next set of 4 bars. You'll notice it's the same sequence of notes, right? Excellent. It goes like this. Perfect. Next, let's move on to the following bars, which read D, D, E, C, D, F, E, C, D, F, E, D, C, D, G. This is how it sounds on the piano. Isn't that great? Now, let's check the final set of 4 bars. Congratulations! You've just played a Beethoven score. Subscribe for more sight reading videos to help you further develop your skills, and leave your thoughts in the comments section.